Hi. After the successful completion of our IELTS 2-day online workshop, we have some good news for all the healthcare professionals out there. So if you're a nurse, a doctor or an allied healthcare professional and an OET aspirant, we have scheduled a 2-day online workshop exclusively for OET on the 4th and 5th of June. This 2-day OET workshop is packed with takeaways. We ensure 8 hours of productive learning over the 2 days' time. Day 1 is completely dedicated to input sessions. You will have 1 hour each of sessions on listening, reading, writing and speaking. And we will teach you the different tips, strategies and question types that will be involved in these 4 modules. Day 2 will be practice session where you get an opportunity to try out whatever you've imbibed from the day 1 input session. So we put you through a practice test on all the 4 modules, the listening, reading, writing and speaking. Along with the practice, you will get feedback on the answers for listening and reading. For writing, we guarantee individual writing corrections and a mock speaking test with spot feedback. This 2-day OET workshop will be a complete eye-opener. Not only that, it will let you know where you exactly stand in your OET preparation, but it will also give you access to method lessons to help you approach the OET. All these features will be made available at just Rs 499. So how do you register for the workshop? All you need to do is click on the link given in the description below, register yourself, click on submit and there you are. So see you all on the 4th and 5th of June and the OET workshop. Thank you.